Hello guys, today we are going to learn about Maven. So a slight introduction to the Maven. Okay, before discussing about Maven, okay, so let us talk about something else. Okay, we are going to learn about web applications. Okay, there are web applications like Facebook, Instagram. So in case of all the web applications, the important things are, the first thing is servlets, JSP files, and the connections to the database. So you know all the servlets are nothing but Java files, right? As well as Java files are nothing but which is written using HTML, which are web files. As well as coming to database connection, details will be given using configuration files, that is XML file. So hope you are able to understand. Means we have to include in one particular project, that is Java classes, HTML files, means JSP files. Another way is XML files, as well as we require the jar files. Okay, in order to access frameworks, so let's JSP, for all these things we require a particular thing, right? So for, in order to handle any web component, we require servlets to generate a dynamic response, so which are Java classes. Okay, as well as HTML files which is used to display the data, and XML file which is used to provide the database information like database URL, username and password. And we have to provide the jar files for accessing the servlet components, or Spring Framework or Hibernate jar files, sorry, Hibernate resources like at the rate entity, on all these annotations. So we have to include all these things in one single project. Okay, in one single project. Hope you are able to understand. So now the thing is very clear. Okay, for example, I am taking, okay, I have to insert a nail. Okay, I have to insert a nail into the, okay, into the wooden wall. Okay, so in that case, can I put my finger and insert the nail? Is it possible like that? Okay, is it possible? Can you press with your bare hands to insert the nail inside the wall? Is it possible? So for that you require a tool which makes our process very easy to get the leverage of force. Okay, so what this hammer is nothing but a tool which is used to, okay, uh, insert the nail inside the wooden wall or any hard substance. So here also you have to understand, Maven is a web tool. Maven is a build tool. Sorry, not web tool, it's a build tool. What is Maven? It's a project build tool. It is a project build tool. Okay, we have many other build tools, but we will be talking about Maven build tool today. Okay, Maven is a project build tool. So now how it is going to help us, and how it is designed, let us try to understand. So I will be showing you one important thing. Wait for a while. We'll be showing you one picture. Okay, look at here. We all use Eclipse in order to develop the Java applications or any other applications. While opening the Eclipse, you will be seeing this, right? It will be asking you select the workspace. Means here you can understand whatever the things are there which you are developing inside the Eclipse will be stored inside the particular folder which is present inside the C drive, which is present inside the C drive. So by this we can understand, okay, Eclipse is the tool which is connected to the C drive folder. All the files which are created inside the Eclipse will be stored inside the folder one which is present in the C drive. Okay, in the same way, what is happening here, in the same way, Maven build tool. In a simple Java project, we cannot include all the files. It becomes very difficult. But whenever you take help of Maven build tool, What is this Maven build tool is doing? Whenever you develop the Maven build tool, okay, Maven project, so internally this Maven project is integrated with a local repository which is present inside the C drive. Okay, so this Maven project is integrated with the local repository which is named as local repository represented using .m2 file inside the C drive, as well as, okay, this Maven project is providing a structured format. It is providing a structured format, so where all the files are segregated in a particular format. You can see here, this is the Maven project, this is the name of the project, and you can see src main java. So inside the src main java folder there is a package. Inside the package there are number of classes. Okay, there are java classes or interfaces also, it may contain, and there is a separate source folder for testing purpose, and there are libraries below that Maven dependencies, as well as here you can see some meta-nf folder and xml file. Okay, as well as we can see here html and jsp file, as well as pom.xml, where we provide the important jar files related code. Okay, so by this we can understand that Maven build tool is helping us to structure the, okay, to structurize the project, okay, to include java files and web components as well as jar files. So Maven build tool is a structured build tool, okay, which is ready made for us to develop the application very easily. Let us try to understand in depth. Okay, so what is this Maven project is helping us internally? Okay, so this Maven build tool, which is developed by the group of developers, Java developers community, what they have done, okay, they are providing one important repository, that is Maven repository. Okay, this Maven repository is provided inside the, okay, browser. You can access through browser, you can access the Maven repository. So whenever we click on Maven repository, it will be opening one page, okay, web page. So what is that web page consists? Like we have to search for whatever the dependency we want. Okay, Hibernate, I will be asking for Hibernate dependency. So I'll be asking for Hibernate dependency. I will go to the Hibernate dependency, and there I will be selecting, okay, any one of the version. Okay, I'll be selecting some version. Okay, so there I will get some dependency code. I'll get some dependency code. Okay, whenever I get this dependency code, what I have to do is, inside the Maven project, there will be a XML file, pom.xml file, configuration file. Okay, there I need to add the dependency. While adding this dependency, what is happening? What is happening? We have to think about it, right? So whenever we add the dependency, that 4 lines of code, with that 4 lines of code, if it is added inside the XML file that belongs to Maven project, all the required jar file, all the required jar files, almost 15 to 16 jar files will be there. Okay, this Maven repository directly send those all 15 jar files through the Maven project. It will be stored inside the local repository. So here it is making our process very easily, just by adding just 4 lines of code inside the pom.xml. Okay, so this is the way the Maven project works, and hope you love this video. Like and share. Thank you.